Well, hello. It's been a while. How are you all doing? Hopefully you remember who I am. Where do I even start? Don't know. So the last time I filmed anything was January 2020, and we all know what's happened since then. Then I moved to Brighton. Then I moved back, and now I'm on my final year of my degree. But I found a video which I never posted because I just forgot about it and got distracted doing other things. So this video is going to be the last TrainsAt video I have in storage in my folders that I'd forgotten about. Basically, I think what I'm going to do is when I want to, I'm going to film something. I'm not going to go out anymore because I'm not going to go out with people anymore because I don't know. I just lost the love for it. It's just not me anymore. But there will be random things I see, random single service videos, random trains out when I want to, random trains videos from when I'm out, and when I see a train and I want to film it, I will. So basically, this channel is for when I want it and when I want to use it. It's not going to be like a scheduled thing or whatever. I'm nearly 23. I don't know. I still love railways. Still like trains. I just don't have the same love for it I used to. But anyway, this video here is trains at Tunbridge Wells that I filmed with KTV videos 3 years ago. Because it's December 2022, and I filmed this January 2020. So yeah, if you do enjoy, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a sub, and I will see you all very soon. Roll titles. TrainsAroundKent here, and today I'm actually filming at a local station of mine for a change. I'm at Tunbridge Wells on the Hastings line, and today we've seen services by South Eastern only, and I believe we're going to be seeing a GBRF freight train from Mountfield. So joining me is KTV videos as usual, and then yeah, so we'll see what else turns up. Be cool. And now it's going to be the 12:40 South Eastern service heading to London Charing Cross from Hastings. And it's 4 coaches only. 375 908.
And that's 12:40 South Eastern service from Hastings to London Charing Cross. Also arriving. Sorry, I said 12:40. It's 12:39.
And it's early.
It is indeed. So there's that one arriving.
Pulling in now is going to be the 12:40 South Eastern service to Hastings.
South Eastern service to Hastings, which is
On the fast service as well.
916.
375 916. And this is the semi-fast service. It calls at Wadhurst, Battle, St Leonard's, Warrior Square and Hastings. Beautiful. Pulling away is going to be the 12:40 South Eastern service to Hastings from London Charing Cross. I'll put a little poll in the corner. I want to see. I'm curious now. I want to see who prefers the white and yellow doors or the blue with blue doors. Please vote in the poll thing. It'd be funny. I want to see. On the rear is 375 703. I can't remember what was on the front.
916.
375 916 was on the front.
That's pulling at Wadhurst, Battle, St Leonard's, Warrior Square and Hastings.
Magic. And the next train should be a freight train. That's going to be the 1251 Southeastern Service to Charing Cross, 375818. It's pulling in from the turnback. On the rear is 375708. Oh, don't worry, we good. We good. Magic. Right, smells back.
Number 2, the 1251 London Charing Cross service called Tunbridge, Borough.
So about to pass by, it's going to be the daily service from Mountfield sidings to Mountfield Gypsum Quarry, sorry, to Southampton Western Docks. It's going to be forwarded with a GBRF 66. Oh, they put the old wagons back. Okay. Into the light. So 66740. Sarah. Oh no, it's the new wagons.
They've got people who actually work in the office in GBRF. That is why it's named place Sarah.
Big up Sarah.
Yeah, big up Sarah.
Big up Sarah from GBRF. Break!
Thanks for that.
What?
No, the squeak.
Oh, squeaky.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Okay. I thought I did something wrong. I think that's gonna let. I think it's gonna. Starting now. It's gonna be the 1251 Southeastern Service starting here to go to London Charing Cross, calling it all stations on the route apart from the ones in London. Yeah, all stations until Sevenoaks, then Orpington and London Bridge, Waterloo. Join to track. Wasn't that gonna nice. Have the 1321 Southeastern Service to London Charing Cross. What's this 5924 on the front? Magic. But it's going to be the 1321 South Eastern service heading to London Charing Cross from here. I love it. I'm just going to let you hear the motor noises. So here we have a 466 ECS move to Grove Park Depot. 466015. Nice. Grove Park Depot. Now it's falling at 465923, heading from Charing Cross to terminating here, I think. I don't know. That's the one that brought me in from to Hildenborough. Then you got a -0 on the rear. Magic. And they sound cool. Okay. Now it's going to be the last train of the day. It's going to be the something or other southeast.
Train approaching platform number 2, divide here, please jump in the front
1338 southeastern service to London Charing Cross. 375802.
Divide here, travel in the front 4 coaches only.
Glorious. And we'll thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please do leave a like rating. It is always appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and ding dong the bell as usual. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.